Hello and welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we bring you the latest and most powerful devices designed to keep your work and productivity running at peak performance. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Dell Pro Slim QCS1250 business desktop, the powerful successor to the Optiplex 7020 SFF. If you're a professional, business owner, or student who values speed, reliability, and long-term performance, this desktop is a solid choice. At the heart of this system is Intel's 14-core i5-14500 processor, part of Intel's latest generation lineup. With a mix of performance and efficiency cores, this CPU ensures smooth multitasking whether you're working with heavy office applications, managing multiple browser tabs, or running demanding business software. Pair that with 16GB of fast DDR5 memory, and you'll notice the responsiveness immediately, no more lagging between tasks. For storage, Dell equips this desktop with a 512GB SSD, providing both speed and capacity for everyday work. That means quicker boot times, faster application launches, and plenty of space for documents, spreadsheets, and essential software. Plus, it supports expansion down the road, so you're not locked into a single configuration. Connectivity is also a strong point here. The RJ45 port ensures stable wired internet, while the combination of DisplayPort and HDMI allows you to set up multiple monitors for maximum productivity. This system also includes a wired keyboard and mouse, giving you everything you need to get started right out of the box. Security and reliability are at the core of Dell's business lineup, and the QCS1250 is no different. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, you'll have advanced security features and tools tailored for professional environments. On top of that, Dell provides a 3-year warranty, so your investment is protected. Sleek, compact, and powerful, the Dell Pro Slim QCS1250 is designed for businesses and professionals who need reliable performance without sacrificing desk space. Whether it's for the office, remote work, or even education, this desktop delivers. If you're ready to upgrade your workstation and experience the balance of speed, stability, and security, the Dell Pro Slim QCS1250 might just be the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Gadgetverse for more reviews, and check out the link in the description to grab yours today.